Start by researching organizations that are already helping with recovery efforts in Morocco. Reach out to local churches, mosques, and other locations in your own community to find out how people can holistically help. Create a donation drive that strictly focuses on collecting items needed, such as food, clothing, bedding, and hygiene items. Urge your family, friends, and co-workers to donate any amount they can to organizations affected by the earthquake. Offer to volunteer your time by packing and delivering donated items to the affected regions. Encourage donations that go directly to the region affected and not general funds. Contact your government representatives and urge them to send aid to Morocco. Become involved in events like fundraisers and bake sales/car washes. Assist with fundraising efforts by helping to set up events, promote donations, and work to collect materials. Assist with the distribution of medical supplies and services to those affected. Help collect and use blankets, medical supplies, hygiene kits, and other items needed in the affected areas. See if you can offer temporary housing for families who need somewhere to stay after the earthquake. Consider supplying financial aid directly to the families affected by the earthquake. Help staff disaster relief efforts by volunteering, or donating supplies/clothing/food goods. Donate medical equipment and supplies, or send medical professionals in to assist. Give aid to the long-term recovery efforts in Morocco, as the damage may take a long time to heal. Establish a long-term education fund to help support education efforts in the affected areas. Send volunteers to help restore cultural sites and artifacts damaged as a result of the earthquake. Connect with local media sources to spread awareness of the humanitarian crisis in Morocco. Urge politicians, celebrities, and other public figures to get involved in relief efforts. Collect signatures and post online petitions asking for assistance to the people of Morocco. Encourage your local media to publicize the push for donations and relief aid to the victims. Assist with the emergency rescue of survivors by being a first responder or volunteering on relief vehicles. Offer to teach a skill-building class at an area center that accommodates survivors of the earthquake. Contribute to online fundraising groups that pledge to donate a certain amount of money to assist victims.